Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to return items on SHEIN. So if you also want to return items on SHEIN, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open SHEIN application. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be in the shop interface. From here, you'll be able to shop the products. You'll be able to find wide variety of products over here. So if you have ordered something and received the order, but due to some reason if you want to return it, it is very simple. All you have to do is look at bottom. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for shop, category, new, cart and me. All you have to do is tap on the me icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to see your profile. You'll be able to find several options like coupons, points, wallet, gift card. Here in this interface, you'll also be able to find the section for my orders. Over here, you'll be able to find the options like unpaid, processing, shipped, review, returns. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for view all. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for all orders, unpaid, processing, shipped, review and returns. In order to return the item, what you have to do is tap on the first option, that is all orders. Now here all of your orders will be displayed. I do not have any orders right now, so it is not being displayed. But all the orders will be displayed over here. On the order that you've received, you'll be able to find the option for return item. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, you'll be able to return the item. All you have to do is select the reason for it. If possible, also provide the photo. After that, it will be returned to you. Now that order will be displayed in the return section that you can see right over here. So that is how you return items on SHEIN. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.